Today we have a very special guest. They are celebrity pool makers in Mumbai. Anvay and Snehal, welcome to this podcast.
Thanks for inviting us. It's a pleasure to meet you, and I see the progress and the success that you have achieved, and glad to have a friend like you now in Dubai.
The pleasure is all mine. So, how did you? I really like the name of your company. How did you come up with this name?
Well, Atlantis actually is related to water, and it was when 2008. I think I was here in India, in Dubai, and I was staying at Atlantis, and I thought that Atlantis is something that I can relate to, and then I made a company. So my company in India is actually a 38-year-old company which my father started, and in 2008 I started Atlantis, and I started manufacturing pools here in India, and now we're here in Dubai trying to export the pools.
All the best for this venture.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what made you, come to this competitive industry in Dubai?
So I think Dubai has a very good potential. Initially, 10 years back, I think there was no budget for pools, I feel. Now, with so much development coming in, there has been a decent amount of budget for pools, right? So when we come with FRP panel pools, I think our USP out here is we do not need cement, we do not need concrete, and we do not need tiles, okay? With three major things are getting eliminated, my FRP panels are installed only in 3 to 4 days. And then we paste a membrane, which comes from France, within 3 to 4 days. So technically, your pool is done in 15 days.
Wow, that's fantastic. So I think this is your main USP, that you can complete any pool within the most, I would say, the least amount of time anybody can do it, right?
Absolutely.
And how, do you do this conventional designs, and what kind of designs you guys have? Like, what kind of membrane you put? I want to know.
So basically, the membrane that comes, it's a vinyl membrane.
Okay.
It's 100% waterproof, so there is no waterproofing needed for your pool, right? It comes with 10 years of warranty.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
great.
it's a French product. It comes with 10 years of warranty. So any kind of leakage, any kind of problem is there with the membrane, it's taken care by us. So that is the beauty of it. And plus, the beauty of the membrane is that the texture and the color. We have such a wide variety of colors and texture, available in
I
there.
can see these.
Yeah. I
Very
mean, you
nice.
can have a feel of a tile, a feel of a sandstone, a feel of a marble, or a feel of any Bangladesh style. So it won't look like a vinyl membrane or a waterproof or a rubberized membrane. It will have a texture and feel of something that you have always seen in any of the pools in the 5-star hotels or in exotic locations like Maldives or Bali or anywhere. No one can make a difference that it is not a tile and it is a membrane. So that is the aesthetically most pleasing part of our pools.
Fantastic.
And also like to add is that because of there is no cement concrete used in it, because it's a vinyl membrane, there is no chance of any algae growing on the pool walls or the floor. So that itself eliminates a major cost of your maintaining the pool.
So you don't need, you require less of chlorine and less of filtration hours, because the algae does not harbor on my liners.
And over here we have also developed, our R&D department has developed a very, a new innovative chemical for cleaning pools.
Okay.
Which eliminates the use of chlorine completely. Second, I mean, even if by mistake, if you ingest the water, it's not harmful. We don't advise you to drink water from the pool, but even if by chance if it goes, it's not going to harm you. So definitely it is less harmful for your skin, for your hair. People who are beauty conscious, I mean, most of the people in Dubai are beauty conscious. They want to look good, they want to feel good all the time. So yeah, that is one of the innovative chemicals that we have launched in India, and we will soon be launching in Dubai as well.
I think by hearing all these things, I want you to have a pool for me personally. Because I can see these are fantastic designs, these Italian marble looking membrane.
Yeah. So this is a sandstone finish. So
Even the feel of it is like
it has a
proper texture of a stone.
Correct. So we do natural looking ponds or natural looking pools with those membranes.
What celebrities you're targeting here now? Because most of the celebrities are moving their houses, and you have done, I think, 90% of the celebrities in Mumbai. Yeah. So are you targeting those people here as well, or have you done it in here in Dubai?
So, no, we are entering right now.
Okay.
With a lot of references, we are getting projects here in
I'm
Dubai.
sure.
And I think celebrity and this entire clientele is purely from word of mouth, right? So if you have done projects for them there, they will obviously recommend me here. So for us, we are not only hooking on to the celebrity crowd, but we are along with all the builders or HNIs or different projects.
Yeah, because here, most of the developers are giving swimming pools with the, apartments.
Yes.
So I think this is a fantastic...
So we've been in talks with a couple of developers where there are 100 pools, 500 pools, or even 1000 pools in one of the projects. I think we have developed a system, a very compact filtration system, which is actually hidden and it takes care of the entire pool filtration. So when I explained the technology to them, I felt they were not aware about it. And now they want to mandate that for all their projects coming.
I hope they do. Because I like this idea.
Also, what we are targeting right now is that not only making a completely new pool, but also refurbishing the existing pools, right? So villas which are villas, or pools which are like older pools have been like there for 10 years, 10 plus years, right?
Correct.
A lot of pools over here built with traditional tiles and concrete
Yes.
are wearing off. They have some maintenance issue, or it's just people have become bored of that looking at the same pool for so many years.
Correct.
So with our technology, you don't have to remove the existing tiles and redo the tiles and everything. I mean, let whatever the condition of your pool is, let it be like that. Just select the kind of membrane that you like. Your eyes, it pleases your eyes. Select that. We just put on top of it, and your pool is as new as brand new pool, without any work. And that entire process is done in less than 7 days. So you have a brand new pool in less than 7 days with our technology.
That sounds fascinating, because I've never heard of this, that somebody can repair anything in the way in 7 days, to be honest, and that to a pool where you have to, like the conventional style is when you break the tiles, and then you put the cement, and then you put the tiles again, or do certain different technologies there right now.
So we focus on three things: sustainability, energy efficiency, and cost effectiveness. I think that's the ball changing product that we are launching here in Dubai.
I can actually see. And also one last question I want to ask: what do you think, how big this pool industry is in Dubai, in UAE basically?
I think it's massive. With the kind of crowd moving in Middle East, the real estate market is booming. When the real estate market is booming, there's opportunity for us. Imagine a standalone building with one pool, and now every apartment with a pool. So I think it is just going to go bigger and bigger, from here on. So the pool industry is very massive in Dubai.
I hope so. And of course, with the new development coming in, you still have a market of the previous, like the older buildings, because in Dubai, most of the buildings have pools.
Correct.
And villas who have been constructed 20 years back, 10 years back. So this is a massive market.
Absolutely. It is a very big market. And by the way, we are the only pool company who can give you an ROI on your pools.
Yeah, that's interesting. Tell me about it. I really want to know that. A pool company, guys, audience, I have never met somebody who are giving return on investment on pools. I don't know. I want to know that.
So back in India, I'll tell you an experience what we do. Suppose if I'm making a pool for a villa for a client, I know that client is not going to go for more than 12 to 20 times in his house. So what we do is we have a rental company in India which takes care of all your Airbnb and other platform bookings. So we handle the entire housekeeping, your chef and everything. So if I'm selling a pool for them, approximately, let's say, for maybe a 50,000 dirhams, and if I can generate a 60,000 dirhams in a span of 6 months or 5 months, that's technically I'm giving you an ROI on your pool.
100%.
So henceforth, please do not negotiate with me, because I am the one who's going to be an ROI.
And of course, putting a pool or renovating a pool in any of the properties, existing property, definitely increases the value of your house, of a property.
Absolutely.
So if making a pool or renovating your pool is going to add value and give you a more ROI, I think it's a good return on investment that you're getting.
It is.
I'll give you one more example of a client in Lonavala. This guy was selling his house for 1.2 crores. I told him, put a pool, do a little bit of changes in your house. That house got sold for 2.25 crores. So within a span of 3-4 months and maybe a 20-30 lakh rupees investment, he made at least 80-90 lakh rupees profit on
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Interesting.
Yes.
I think a lot of changes you're going to do with the real estate industry as well.
So we love designing, we love landscaping, we love... Yeah. So we don't make pools for just heck of it. We actually put our heart and soul to design it around. So all of the aesthetics.
So when we undertake any project of making a pool in a particular property, we don't look it as just one standalone project for making pool. We take a holistic approach to it.
Correct.
We see if the pool is adding value. It's not like the pool is looking beautiful and fabulous, but the house is not
up to the mark
with the pool. So we also take care that the house also looks good, premium, welcoming. complements the pool and the surrounding landscape also as well.
You're actually, I think you guys are very passionate about, what you do.
Yes.
And I think that is the way to grow big in this industry.
I think with the passion, I've met right kind of clients, I made friends. And with this friendship, I think the word of mouth and the referrals has always been working for us.
I think it will work in Dubai as well.
Absolutely.
And of course, you guys are joining hands with Imperial Arc.
Yes.
We're going to do a lot of business together.
Yes,
Definitely. You're looking forward to it.
Yes. And thank you so much, for this insight, and looking forward to work with you guys.
Same here.
Same here,
Thank
man.
you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Good luck. You